More than 33,000 tire-related crashes happen every single year. That's not exaggeration, that's reality. And what's worrying is most of those drivers believed their tires were absolutely fine. No warning lights. No obvious damage. Everything felt normal, right up until the moment it wasn't. Because tires rarely give dramatic warnings. Grip disappears quietly. Heat builds silently. And at motorway speeds, one weak sidewall or poor compound choice can change everything in seconds. Before we get into the rankings, I'd genuinely like to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below with which tire brand you trust the most. And tell me which country you're watching from. It's always interesting to see how road conditions and climate influence what people choose. Now, let's break this down properly. Number 10, Falcon. Falcon doesn't always get the spotlight, but it's backed by serious engineering from Sumitomo. Their high silica compounds help maintain flexibility in colder temperatures, which improves wet grip and braking stability. Heat management is another strength. At motorway speeds, friction constantly generates internal heat, and if that heat isn't controlled, structural damage can begin inside the tire long before you notice anything externally. Falcon designs its tread patterns to disperse heat effectively, giving drivers a stable and planted feel, particularly in rain. They're not rock bottom cheap, but they offer solid performance for the price. Number 9, Cooper. Cooper is known for practicality and durability. It's the sort of brand many independent garages recommend when someone wants reliability without paying premium prices. Their tread wear indicators are particularly useful, helping drivers spot uneven wear early, which often points to alignment issues. Uneven wear isn't just cosmetic, it affects braking distance and cornering stability. Cooper tires often deliver impressive mileage, especially on SUVs and family vehicles. They may not shout about innovation, but they quietly do the job well. Number 8, Yokohama. Yokohama has built a reputation for blending innovation with real-world usability. Their orange oil compound technology improves rubber flexibility and bonding, enhancing grip without drastically shortening lifespan. In colder weather, flexibility is everything. When rubber hardens, braking performance suffers. Yokohama's compounds help counter that. In heavy rain, their tread designs effectively channel water away from the contact patch, reducing the risk of hydroplaning. The steering remains more predictable, which can make all the difference in sudden downpours. Number 7, BF Goodrich. If you regularly drive on rough roads or deal with potholes, sidewall strength becomes critical. Many tire failures occur in the sidewall area because it's structurally thinner than the tread. BF Goodrich reinforces this area, particularly in their all-terrain lines. That reinforcement provides added resilience against curb impacts and debris. While slightly heavier, which can marginally affect fuel economy, they're built to withstand punishment. For drivers in rural areas or places with inconsistent road quality, that added durability offers peace of mind. Number 6, Hankook. Hankook has grown significantly in recent years and now supplies tires for several major manufacturers. One area they've focused on heavily is electric vehicle compatibility. EVs are heavier and deliver instant torque, which puts greater stress on tires. Poor quality compounds wear quickly under that strain. Hankook designs its tires to manage that load while maintaining strong wet braking performance and efficient rolling resistance. They often sit at a competitive price point while delivering performance that rivals more established premium brands. Number 5, Pirelli. Pirelli is strongly associated with performance. Their motorsport background influences their compound design, resulting in tires that offer sharp steering response and excellent cornering grip. When you push the car, you feel connected to the road. However, performance-oriented compounds are often softer, which can mean slightly faster wear compared to touring-focused tires. If driving enjoyment and responsiveness matter to you, Pirelli delivers that dynamic feel. Number 4, Bridgestone. Bridgestone combines durability with innovation. Their NanoPro Tech compound technology focuses on controlling heat generation and improving wear resistance. Some models come with impressive mileage warranties, reflecting confidence in their construction. Bridgestone also leads in run-flat technology, allowing limited driving after a puncture. That can be crucial if you experience a tire issue in an unsafe location. They may cost more upfront, but longevity often balances that investment. Number 3. Continental. Continental consistently performs well in independent safety testing, particularly for wet braking. Given how frequently accidents occur in poor weather, that strength matters. Their ContiSeal technology can seal small punctures internally, reducing sudden air loss. That added layer of safety can prevent a minor issue from escalating into a serious incident. Continental tires are rarely the cheapest option, but they're engineered with safety as a priority. Number 2. Goodyear. With decades of experience across automotive, aviation, and motorsport industries, Goodyear brings substantial engineering expertise. Some of their models use Kevlar reinforcement to improve puncture resistance without adding excessive weight. They perform strongly in hydroplaning resistance and durability tests. Goodyear offers a wide product range, making them accessible and dependable for a broad range of drivers. Number 1. Michelin. Michelin consistently leads because of its balance between longevity and safety. One of their standout features is how they maintain wet performance as the tire wears. Many tires lose water evacuation efficiency over time, but Michelin designs its tread patterns to adapt as they wear down. Their compounds resist cracking and maintain flexibility, helping preserve braking performance throughout the tire's life. They often deliver excellent mileage without sacrificing grip. While not inexpensive, their long-term value and consistent safety performance justify the reputation. Now, on the other side of the spectrum, extremely low-cost brands such as Fortune and Accelera often reduce costs through lower-grade compounds and limited research development. In dry conditions, they might feel acceptable, but in heavy rain or emergency braking situations, weaknesses become apparent. Reduced wet grip and quicker wear are common concerns reported by drivers. When the only thing connecting your car to the road is 4 contact patches roughly the size of your hands, cutting corners can carry serious consequences. Ultimately, even the best tire requires proper maintenance. Correct inflation, regular rotation, and alignment checks are essential. But starting with a well-engineered tire gives you a crucial margin of safety. Because when the unexpected happens, sudden rain, debris, a sharp evasive maneuver, that's when quality truly reveals itself.